Welcome to Profit Up Now, where your money works just as hard as you do. I know many of you are hustling, trading hours for dollars, day in and day out. But what if I told you there's a smarter way? A way to make your money grow, even while you sleep. Today I'm breaking down how beginners can start investing step by step without the confusion or financial jargon. So grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Alright, let's start with the basics. What is investing? Investing is the process of putting your money into assets that can grow in value over time. Instead of just saving, you're making your money work for you. This could be stocks, real estate, mutual funds, or even starting your own business. Next up, know your why. Before anything else, ask yourself, why do I want to invest? Is it for retirement, a house, financial freedom? Your reason will guide your strategy. Knowing your why gives you a clear target and keeps you motivated. Now, let's talk about starting with what you have. You don't need thousands to begin. You can start with as little as $5 using apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Fidelity. The key is to start. Consistency beats perfection every time. And here are some basics you absolutely need to know. Stock. A piece of a company you can buy. ETF. A bundle of stocks, often used to reduce risk. Index fund. A type of ETF that tracks a specific index like the S&P 500. Compound interest. When your money earns money, and then that money earns more money. Diversification is crucial. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different types of investments to protect yourself from market ups and downs. This way, if one investment doesn't perform well, others might balance it out. Remember, investing is a long-term game. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. The market goes up and down, but historically it has always gone up over time. Be patient and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Lastly, keep learning. The more you learn, the more confident you'll feel. Follow financial creators, read books like The Intelligent Investor, and listen to podcasts. Education is your best investment. And there you have it, your beginner's guide to investing. It's not about having a lot of money, it's about getting started and building smart habits over time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip from Profit Up Now. And hey, drop a comment below and let us know your investing goal for this year. Until next time, keep growing your money and boosting your future.